Hi folks, this is Danny at Blackpool Seat. It's just an information video just to let you know that we do have new cars available on site. Just a couple of them that are in the showroom. You got the Ateca and the Arona, both stunning cars and available now. And we'll just take a quick look outside, seeing as it's a beautiful day, sorry, a beautiful evening, coming towards the end of another day. And this is us, as you can see. So basically the video is just to let you know that we do have an abundance of new cars for you to come and have a look at. We've got all the Aronas in various colours and various specs. And we also have some new Atecas. And currently we have a few more that are over with our garage department at the moment. Getting all the brand new stickers taken off and then handed over to the valeting guys to give them a bit of a nice buff and clean and wash, ready for our pitch. So if you're interested, come down and have a look, or visit us online, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or visit us direct at coxmotorgroup.com and have a look what we've got. Like I say, new cars are arriving and you can order new cars with us as well. The waiting list isn't anywhere near as long as some of the other dealerships, but we're doing really well with our new vehicles, and we've also got some Ibizas coming as well. So like I say, pop down and see us, check us out. We've got quite a few for you to choose from, and our sales teams are more than happy to go through everything with you online. So if there isn't one on the forecourt that you like the colour of or the spec of, like I say, we can order you one in with the colour that you want and the spec that you want. By all means, come and pay us a visit and we'll see you soon.